Let's talk about the gospel. You know, a lot of people, they think it's just about one of two things. Either it's sin management or social justice. And here's the thing, it's both, but it's also way bigger than either one. They go way deeper. Yes, the gospel is about what happens inside of us. Our lives are transformed in a way that restores that which has been broken, that thing inside of us that keeps us from being our whole self, fully and truly human. Christ comes and makes it whole. Our humanity is made fully alive. But, and here's the part we sometimes forget, that doesn't stop there. The gospel is also about what happens outside of us. Jesus doesn't just save us and leave us in a bubble. He calls us to be his hands and feet in the world, to the people around us, to be his body, the church, walking in love. Now, if saying that we ought to love as Christians makes you get a little defensive, I highly suggest you ask the God of love to do some deep work in your life. And if that triggers you even more, consider this verse, 1 John 4, 7 through 8. It says, "Beloved, let us love one another, for love is from God, and whoever loves has been born of God and knows God. Anyone who does not love does not know God, because God is love." My prayer is that we ask God, the God of love, to do some deep work in your heart, because love isn't just a suggestion. Love is who God is. Love isn't optional. It's our proof. It's our evidence. It's our calling as followers of Christ. If the gospel has truly changed our life, we are to love, because we are people whose lives are to be marked by the fruits of the Spirit, beginning with love, leading to joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and yes, self-control. The gospel is not a list of rules or a checklist of social causes. It is good news, a transformative power that heals us, frees us, and then sends us out to heal and free the world around us. And friends, that's a gospel worth living. Grace and peace.